Hi, welcome to another data ad hoc stream. Today's stream number is 38, and we will go through this article from SitePoint. It is about coding. This article from SitePoint discusses best programming languages for AI development, providing insights into their features, strength, and suitable applications. So, let's dive into. So it's startingly at start it's mentioned about if you are interested in pursuing career in AI, you need to know how to code, but where to start. Most of the time, it happens that whatever we hear from in our surrounding, so based on that we try to take decision that yeah, Python is best languages I can heard for, and most of my friends are using it, and also it is mainly in news, so I will start with that. But before that, before taking decision, make sure that if that in languages language programming language you are going to learn, if it is really useful for your practical application, like it will it be in use in your organization, company, or whatever your projects you are working in. If it don't, then it there is no use for learning that, because if you don't use in real life, then after some time it you have to start from basic. So make sure that what is the real world application for that. So at start they mentioned key takeaways. Python emerges as one of the leading AI programming language, valued for its simplicity, extensive libraries. So then also they mentioned about R and Julia for their specialized capabilities in statistical approach. And also traditional languages C++, Java retain their relevance for performance intensive applications. Mojo combines the ability of Python with the speed and control of C++. So Mojo has both features from Python and C++. Haskell prologs are designed for reasoning and inference. So avoid outdated languages like COBOL, Fortran. So they just summarize here what we are going to see in article, but to know more, we need to check this article first. So first Python. So obviously it is most popular programming languages. Uh, interpreted high level program language dynamics. So its high level built-in data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development. Uh, Key features for Python: simple to use, uh, and consider the easiest programming languages to learn. Support module and packages. We will focus more on what is good for AI for that particular language. So rich set of libraries for data analysis and manipulation, such as Panda, make it easy to work with data. Comes with number of libraries specifically for machine learning, such as TensorFlow and Keras. It has solid scientific computation libraries such as scikit-learn and NumPy. It can be used to program microcontrollers with projects like MicroPython, CircuitPython, and Raspberry Pi. So this make sure that you use these particular libraries. So start with AI. So I use Panda, Scikit-learn, NumPy, TensorFlow, and some hands-on for Keras, but not used MicroPython, Circuit, Raspberry Pi. Mm. Also they have provided link for libraries, like here we can see they have provided link for TensorFlow and Keras. Those are open source library for machine learning and deep learning developed by Google, used in various applications for voice image recognition to drug discovery. I have also used OpenCV for one or two projects, a library for computer vision such as object detection, facial recognition, and image processing. R is the popular artificial language intelligence programming language and free software environment for statistical computing and graphs, supported by R Foundation of Statistical Computing. So R is the, like, whenever there is a requirement for statistical approach or finding statistical point from any table or a data set, R is preferred for that time. So what makes R good for AI? It designed specially with statistician in mind, unlike Python, which is designed as general purpose language. It has many features that are useful for AI, such as linear and non-linear modeling, time series analysis, classification, and clustering. So I have used R for when I was Spotify developer. During that time, I used R extensively, and uh, later Spotify have supporting other languages, but R with Spotify, that experience was eye-opening for me to learn more about these languages. So also they have this project for Microsoft R server, enterprise scale server for running and managing R workload using big data analytics, including machine learning projects. Also they have Carrot library, a machine learning library in R that simplifies data pre-processing, model training, validation workflow, widely used for AI applications like predictive modeling and regressive analysis and clustering. Julia is relevantly new, launched in 2012. High level, high performance AI languages for technical computing with syntax that familiar to user for of other technical computing environments. What makes Julia good for AI? In addition of being fast, Julia is also very flexible, which make it easy to experiment with different models quickly. It has number of well developed machine learning libraries such as Flux, MLJ, and KNet. So you can go through this projects as well for Julia Celeste and Alpha Zero .jl. Project M at cataloging visible universe, processing petabytes of data from slogan. So it works on huge data. C++ and C. In general purpose programming languages biased toward system programming, it was designed with portability, efficiency, and flexibility in mind. The main competitor of C++ is Microsoft C hash, which is very similar in syntax but offers some additional features and benefits like more managed memory and language integrated query. So C hash is a better version of C++, we can say here. What makes C++ and C hash good for AI? Both languages are widely used in game development. They are both in high performance due to being compiled languages and offering low level control well when necessary. C hash has a wide range of available library tooling support from Visual Studio. So if you want to choose between C++ or C hash, uh, try to select C hash, which is obviously up version of C++. So they have like projects, game AI in Unreal Engine C++. The Unreal engines are widely used for game development. I have seen a few Unreal engines screenshot or images on social media, and they are pretty much impressive. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit for C hash. Deep learning framework used to train machine learning algorithms to think like the human brain, applied in areas such as speech recognition and search relevance. Java at number 5. Versatile and powerful programming languages that enables developer to create robust high performance applications. What makes Java good for AI? Fast, reliable, and has good tooling support, making it easy to develop complex AI applications quickly and efficiently. Used in many mission critical applications, so it's battle tested. It can be used both desktop and mobile apps using Android Studio. Okay. So they also mentioned project for Java Deep Learning 4J, open, which is open source, and you can do use for fraud detection, text mining, image recognition. Veka is another project. Comprehensive suite. I think projects here it means library, because for uh, Python we and for Python, I'd say TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCVs are a library. So it can be both like separate projects or separate like extension of that particular programming. Comprehensive Veka is a comprehensive suite of machine learning algorithms and data preprocessing tool widely used for data mining, classification, clustering, and regression. JavaScript. It emerged as top candidate in AI development thanks to an active ecosystem, powerful framework like TensorFlow JS, where we have seen as the only programming language native to web browser. JavaScript enable AI application to run directly in the user interface, facilitating real-time user interactions and data processing without the need for server-side computation. So TensorFlow was present in, yeah, TensorFlow library present in Python as well. So I'm not sure if like uh, okay, they mention about similarity between JavaScript and TensorFlow. Sorry for that. I thought JavaScript is kind of have unit of TensorFlow. My mistake. If you are starting with JavaScript, it's worth checking out JavaScript books and course on site. So they mention their URL. What makes JavaScript good for AI? Ideal for applications requiring immediate data analysis and feedback, such as interactive web experience and live data visualization. For web related application, JavaScript seems a perfect fit. AI application relying on browsers may face security concerns and limited computational power. Okay. A vast and active developer community drives innovation and provides extensive resource for learning and troubleshooting. But also, whenever you check for pros, try to check for cons as well. Then decide what you want. There are projects like BrainJS, a JavaScript library for neutral network that enables AI development directly in browser or on Node.js, making machine learning accessible to web developers. TensorFlow.js, which they earlier mentioned here, that allowed training deploy machine learning entirely on browser on Node.js. Then at number 7, Scala. Scala combines functional programming with object-oriented programming, offering unique tool set of for AI development. Its ability to handle complex data type and support for concurrent programming makes Scala an excellent choice for building robust, scalable AI system. The language interoperability with Java means it can leverage the vast ecosystem of Java library, including those related to AI and machine learning. Uh, uh, so it can be used with Java. So and it leverage on the like you can use Java libraries feature with Scala as well. Scala name derived from scalable language. It designed to grow with user demand from small script to large system. Scala benefit from its compatibility with Java. Okay, good. Providing access to many libraries and frameworks essential for AI machine learning process. So they have projects Apache Sparks, which and Breeze. Both I have heard, but I haven't worked on or learned that. A unified analytics engine for big data processing with built-in models for streaming, SQL, machine learning, graph processing. Scala concise syntax is ideal for data science workflows. For regarding Breeze, a library for numerical processing and machine learning, featuring tools for linear algebra, numerical optimization, and statistical modeling. Mojo is one of the specifically designed programming language for AI and machine learning development. So if you want to just do career in only AI and have interest in that, then Mojo I think is perfect. It aims to combine simplicity and usability of Python with the speed and control of lower level languages like C++. Mojo has quickly gained popularity among AI developers for its ability to handle complex computation while maintaining developer friendly syntax. Ideal for AI projects that require speed and low level optimization for complex model computation. Parallel computing capabilities support scalable AI workflow. This is essential for large data sets and simulation. But it seems it's new and there are limited real world projects implemented in Mojo due to recent introduction. Okay, it's new. So uh, uh, there are it will develop in future, but as of now it's new. Haskell is functional programming language known for its mathematical precision and focused on immutability. It's widely used in academic research and AI system requiring logical reasoning, symbolic computation, and abstract modeling. Its declarative style makes it ideal for tasks like theorem providing AI-based simulation and knowledge presentation. Okay. Uh, Haskell good for AI because suitable for applications requiring pattern matching, logical interface, automated reasoning, simplifies complex algorithm implementations with its functional nature and algebraic capabilities, supports parallel execution, make it scalable for AI workflows involving larger data sets. So for Haskell, you can go through projects like HLearn, Hermit machine learning library for the applies algebraic principle to AI modeling. And Hermit is a toolkit transforming and optimizing functional program. Prologs is at number 10. Prolog general core model is logic. Pro, okay, Prolog means logical programming. So they have a short form for them. It is a very old language from early 70s that particularly well suited for our AI applications. Its declarative nature makes it easy to express complex relationship between data. Prolog is also used for NLP and knowledge representation. Of course, for Prolog good for AI because NLP Prolog pattern matching capability are well suited for creating chatbot, parser, and language interpreters. Expert system and decision support provide Prolog problem solving and search algorithm. Okay. They have HWR Prolog and Chat 80. It seems it's mostly related to chatbot uh, topic. Honorary mention of Lisp from 1958. It was originally created for AI research. Today Lisp is used in variety of scripting and system administration. Okay, so you can also check for Lisp as well. Comparison of AI programming languages. So all the article we have seen, like here we can see for each every article, for each and every programming they mention key features, introduction part, what is make for what is pro for AI, and limitations and projects. Here they have only highlighted AI AI related comparison for different languages, why it is good and key features. So it's kind of summarization of our article we can see here. So you can go through. And also here they have mentioned about programming languages to avoid in AI development. So these languages are not suitable for AI at all as per their reference. COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, basic assembly languages. Also, they have provided tips. Define your project requirement, which we have earlier discussed. Performance need, community support. So all these criteria you should uh, check and validate as per your requirement. Scalability, deployment, personal experience. So I will be sharing this article link in this video description, so you can go through, and you also can share this link with your friends for programming languages which are more suitable for AI development, because ultimately in upcoming AI revolution, these uh, languages will be more in demand, and if you have these skills, then your chances of getting work or projects to work on are more. Let's meet next time with another stream with another interesting topic. Thank you.